going on, everybody? It's your man Cleveland Terry, and today I received a package. Well, not actually today, a couple days ago. I received a package from the good folks at Innofader. Did you remember before on the Wake Up in Cleveland show, I actually had Patrick on to talk about the Innofader. We were talking about my Rane 70, and he mentioned, hey, you know what? We have a Innofader that actually works with the Rane 70. Want me to send you one? You can check it out. I thought, why not? If you recall, I reviewed the Reloop Elite, and one of my favorite things about that mixer was the Innofader. So we're gonna go ahead and swap out the Rane 70 Mag 4 with the Innofader. Now I know people are already saying, why in the world would you do that? What's wrong with the Mag 4? There is absolutely nothing wrong with the Mag 4. After using the Innofader and then moving back to the Mag 4, I just preferred the Innofader a little more than the Mag 4. Sure, the Mag 4 is fine. I can do everything I need to do on the Mag 4, but you know, I kind of like the Innofader. So we're gonna swap that out today. Let's see what this care package is and what they brought for little old me. Ow, I'm like breaking nails. I legitimately just think I just broke a nail. What the hell did you tape on this thing? This is like 19 layers of masking tape. Jesus. Okay, we got a 45-inch slip mat. That's kind of cool. That'll go nicely on the Rane 1. That's all I have to send back. Another slip mat. Dope. We'll have to try these guys out. I'm gonna tell you, I've been partial to the slip mats that I got for free from FaZe. We're gonna see if these are any better. They're very buttery. Okay. All right, and ooh, a shirt. Let's take a look at this guy. Okay, I like that. This is always smart, by the way. I like that. Throw a little marker on there. Definitely gonna keep these. I'm not really sure what these stickers are for, but they're fader caps. Fader caps. Let's open this guy up and let's clear off everything here. No checks. There's absolutely no money in here. All right, video over. Let's take a look here. All right, please, before you return this item, installing an Innofader may seem like a daunting task. It's not. We are here to make it easier. We will do whatever it takes to make it work for you. Please contact us right away. Thanks, Patrick. I will. All right, so this is the Innofader. Here's all the information that we need. All right, with more stickers and more fader caps, because I don't want anything to kind of disappear on me. Let's move all of this stuff over, including the shirt. Although I kind of feel like I should be wearing the shirt right now. Let's do that. It's so slimming. All right, looks like this is the main fader chamber, the bracket, the main crossfader. Looks like some lube. Yep, deoxit. All right, all the pretty cables, another bracket. It's funny when you look at all this. I know they're saying it seems easy. This looks like a lot of moving parts, but we're gonna make it work. Hey, there's a little keychain here. Let's see what this keychain is. Okay, that's kind of cool. It's a screwdriver keychain. You know, before we bring up the Rane 72, let's just take a look at all the information here. Let's see how easy this is. All right, hint, set cut, curve, and cut as shown. Okay, this allows for best overall performance in the Rane 72, which is also the Rane 70. Okay, there's your plug in here, 3 pins. Connect system hex screws and washers and assemble bracket to Innofader. Okay. Oh, look, there's more brackets. And more brackets. A lot of little brackets. I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot of little brackets. This one came off really easy. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Okay. So these screws right here appear to be holding the crossfader down. Okay, let's set up all the things like they want us to. The cut should be down here. This one should be sticking straight up like so. And this one again should be angled down like so. Okay, so first off, I will tell you this. This color looks purple, but there are no purples here. They're all blues. So I'm gonna assume, you know what happens when you assume? Oh, it went in, which means this guy is gonna go in like so. Connect the stem using hex screws and washers in a simple bracket to Innofader PNP. Dude, I don't have little baby fingers. Okay, we're still good. Note, adapter may have connection on the opposite side. This is done for better electrical isolation. Okay, fine. Are they the same ones? They are not the same ones. There we go. Okay, so here is our fader. Okay, piece in, and then this piece like so. Now, where do I put this stupid thing at? Mixer is off before test, then turn mixer on for check and go. Do not let Innofader touch the mixer while mixer is on. Make sure the jumper is to the right. The test is to the right. So it's in test right now. Okay, cool. All right, make sure the green LED comes on. If the LED is red, see below. LED is red. Green. Okay, move jumper to the left, calibrate, see below on page P2. Okay, all the way left, all the way right, all the way left, calibrate. Now, I don't like the fact that this is just dangling here, but whatever. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. Ultimately, I'm really happy with this fader. It's just like I remembered it when I was using the Reloop Elite, and it just, I don't want to say it breathed new life into this fader, but when I've been using other mixers, and other mixers have different faders, and while I appreciate the Mac 4, it's a really good fader, it never really connected with me. I think all faders, you can do what you normally do, but some faders just feel different than other faders. It's just different from the Mac 4. There's a smoothness to it. There's a cut into it that just, for me, just works a little better for me. Doesn't take anything away from anything else, like the Mag 4 up faders. It's just for the crossfader specifically. I don't know. The Innofader just worked a little better for me. As you guys have probably seen, I've been using the S11 a lot. So the S11's crossfader feels a lot like the Innofader. So sliding from that to this felt very, very similar. Ultimately, what I'm trying to say is, if you are using the Mag 4 or even the Mag 3 fader in your 72, and you just never like the way it feels, well, there is an alternative. You can pick up an Innofader PNP, very competitive prices, and just for a little change, you can completely change the way your crossfader feels in your 72 and or 70. As you can see here, the 72 fader works exactly the same as in the 70. So it's a great fader. It's a great fader. I'm happy to have it. I'm gonna continue testing it. It's gonna help me out on my scratch journey, just like everything else I've been doing. I wanna thank Patrick and Innofader for this wonderful shirt, and also all of the fader caps and the slip mats, which we still haven't tried. We're gonna try the slip mats out and see how those are, and the stickers. Appreciate you guys. All right, guys, if you found this thing useful, hit that like button. Let me know what you're using. Are you still using the stock faders? Have you upgraded to the Innofaders or whatever you've upgraded to? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if this is actually something you have been thinking about. I'm curious to know if you guys are happy with exactly what you have, or if you've been considering swapping out the fader, because it's really not that hard. All right, guys, always a pleasure. If I don't talk to you later, we'll talk soon. Peace.